Welcome back to Kyusha Style Tuning. In today's episode, I'm going to see if I can fit this eBay universal front splitter to the front of a Celica. Okay, so I've taken the actual bumper off. I did have one of these cheap eBay rubber splitters, universal splitters, which is basically like a rubber strip with an angle on. I had that attached to it, but I'm not happy with the look of that at the moment, so I purchased this front splitter online. I think it was about £22–23, that's all, so it's not a massive amount of money. It's made from ABS plastic, so it should be quite hard wearing. The dimensions aren't actually too bad, so all I've got to do, I think, is find the centre point, which is approximately around there, attach that, and then I'm going to use a heat gun, some screws, and work my way around and attach it to the bottom of the bumper. May need a little bit of pie cutting and some slices taken out of the return just to make it bend around that corner there, but other than that I think it's going to be quite an easy job. Okay, so I've attached the centre section there with a couple of screws, and now I'm going to have to work my way around the front. Looks like already it's going to need a little V cut out of there just to bend it round, a little bit of heat also to make that conform to that piece. Get out the cutters, I'll slice these little bits, the heat gun, and I'll work my way around. Looks like it's going to need trimming on the ends as well because it looks a little bit long, but that's fine. Okay, next stage. Okay, so I've got one side on. I'm a little bit annoyed because it actually split just there. So I think this plastic is a little bit too weak for what I'm trying to do to it. I will try and put some heat into it and try and bend that lip back under. Fit along the front isn't too bad. And then here, not too bad either. And I'm going to try and tuck it in a little bit, this corner here where it sort of kicks in. I'm going to try and heat that up with a heat gun and bend that in, and then I'm going to trim this off here just about on that line there. So it's not bad, it's just not brilliant. I suppose you get what you pay for £22. You're going to get something slightly weaker plastic, I suppose, but I could probably glue this back together with a hot glue and then do a seam of sealer along here, along this lip, just to make it a little bit more sort of hidden. But then this is actually a vinyl wrap on the bottom of this lip here, so I may even continue it onto this just to give it that sort of a more one-piece look. So I'll crack on with the other side and then we'll see what I've done with the whole thing. So it's all fitted. It was a bit of a pain in the arse, to be honest. Doesn't look too bad. Again, I am going to do the vinyl wrap on the bottom of it, I think, just to make it look a bit more one piece, and maybe put some sealer in there just to try and hide that hole. That crack is. But for 22 quid it ain't bad. What do I do when I get it back on the car? We'll have a proper look. At the back I had to do quite a little bit of pie cutting and chamfering and melting with the heat gun just to make it fit. I had to use some 10mm bolts as well just to clamp it in place. But it's not too bad. It's not going to be factory OEM, it's just going to be a temporary measure till I can actually buy the proper GT front splitter. Just a little bit better than the rubber one. Okay, so I'm going to pop it back on the car and we'll have a look. So there we go, all on the car. Not bad really. A little bit disappointed it cracked there, but I could probably fix that with a little bit of super glue or some hot weld. Needs a little bit of more heat treatment here to bend that under. But I think I'm going to vinyl wrap it, I think, as well. See what it looks like with that, because this is vinyl here, this lower lip. So if I can match it all in, see how that looks. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you've liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next one. Cheers!